Model, 2013 Nissan Navara Double Cab Outlaw 3.0 V6 dCi €231.5 automatic needs engine. Body, grey 4x4. Mileage, 132,727. MOT, 2 January 2025. Engine, 2993 cc V9X E5. Transmission. Mechanical summary, none runner, engine has seized. Will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Well looked after pickup. Features, part service history, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,095. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401